From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
We have a mix of sun and clouds right behind us here at Beaver Stadium. Look how beautiful it is outside right now. Temperatures a little bit more near average than where we should be for this time of year. Temperatures right now in the low to mid 60s with partly cloudy skies. But you see that wind though at 14 miles per hour. It's going to be a little bit breezy outside this afternoon and even going into some of our forecasts. Temperatures right now generally in the low to mid 60s, 64 in Scranton, 64 State College, a little bit higher up in the lower Highland at 55 degrees. But overall, a little bit more near where we should be for this time of year. And as we zoom out of the region, cooler in our neck of the woods, but as we go a little bit more out west, temperatures are quite a bit higher and actually above average. We have a few showers just brushing to our northern counties, but otherwise fairly quiet. We have a mix of sun and clouds across the region, more clouds up north. Not a whole lot going on for the rest of the country. Besides our tropical system right here, Hurricane Milton, that's actually a Category 4 hurricane. Category 5 just yesterday, and that's going to continue to move up north and east, impacting some areas in Florida, possibly bringing in some catastrophic impacts to the Gulf Coast and even throughout much of Florida, bringing heavy rain, lots of wind, and large storm surge. And taking it to our future cast right now, we don't have that hurricane impacting us. We're actually left under pretty quiet conditions. I think we can have a few showers possible, but I don't think it's going to be as widespread as this model is noting. I think we're just going to be seeing some periods of passing clouds, partly cloudy skies, and even going into tomorrow, much of the same, partly cloudy skies across the region. And we're going to see a little bit more clearing over time, and especially as we get towards the later part of the week. We're going to see some clearing conditions. We're going to see some clearing on Thursday, and that's going to actually help impact some of our temperatures. Our temperatures are going to continue to drop, and we may even see our first frost of the season as we get towards tomorrow night and even Thursday night, with temperatures even getting into the 30s. It's going to warm up, though, as we get towards the weekend. We're going to see another system. It's going to possibly bring in some cooler air as we get towards the beginning of next week, bring in the chance of some showers, but overall it's going to be a pretty dry stretch. And for tonight, temperatures a little bit more near where we should be. Temperature in low 40s, 43 degrees with some passing clouds. And for tomorrow, we're going to not see temperatures too far off from today. Temperatures in the low 60s and partly cloudy skies. And here's your 7-day forecast. A little bit below average for this time of year as we get towards the middle and end of the week, with temperatures even dropping in the low to mid 30s for some of us, seeing our first frost. But as we get towards the weekend, temperatures are going to warm up into the 70s, and we're going to see some warmer conditions before we see another cold front pass through the region Monday and Tuesday, dropping temperatures in the 50s. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Matthew Howard, and I hope you have a great Tuesday.